welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. We have an area here, Tarmac, coming in a gate here in the nursery. Lots of moss is established. Now we like moss on stones and beds because it's very important, but not on our tarmac or it's going to cause it to ravel and it'll look awful. Okay, well, the product we're using is a product called ALGON ORGANIC. It's a patio and deck cleaner. It's non-toxic, so it's safe for pets and safe around fish ponds. You can use it in brick, stone, wood, PVC and lots more, and we're using it here on our tarmac area. Now we're going to give it a good spraying. We're using 1 part to 3 in our sprayer, so 1 part to 3 of water, and we're going to give it a good soak. Now you need a good dry day to do the job, and we'll give it a good soak, come back to you in 24 hours and you can see what's happening. Just a strip up along the gate itself. So up along, giving it a good soak. Now if it's on paving, you won't need to put on as much, but on tarmac I would give it a good soak because it tends to get down right among the stone. So right up along, I'm going to treat this area up along just at the gate itself so you'll be able to see clearly what a good job ALGON does. It's a nice organic product to use and safe for pets, and it's very much fit for purpose. It's a great job because if you try and scrape away this tarmac or this moss, it won't come away at all. It's well stuck in this area. So give it a good soak down along, come back to you in 24 hours and you'll see what's happened here. Bye for now, enjoy your garden.